Hey YouTube, it's Sean. I know it's been a while. Haven't been feeling good again. Been having troubles. In a lot of pain, but we're getting there. But we bought a Jeep, another Jeep. This has got the 4-liter in it. And it's a 1990. And I have plans on getting rid of that Renix, that system, that expansion tank. And I'm going to put a, we're charging the battery right now, but I'm going to put a regular old, like a, what is it? 1 year newer than this. I think it's a 91. They did away with that expansion tank. That's a problem. Somebody's actually bought a metal one for this one. But I'm going to get rid of this and just put a regular radiator in it with an open system rather than a closed system. And this morning I put this battery in it, and I put new contacts, new cables on there. Not cables, ends on the cables. And she's very rough, guys. The seat's missing, right? That's what I'm doing right now. I did have to go into the steering column yesterday. Yesterday and the day before I was working on inside there. The ignition switch was the old one. The guy lost the keys. He says he lost them. The guy liked to drink. He got a lot of tickets. So I think he threw the keys away. And hope maybe the cop did. Don't know. But anyway, the key was missing, so I had to go inside here and put a new ignition switch in it. And it was all loose. You know, the Jeep column thing. I got to get up underneath the dash and tie that up in there. This is all taken apart because I had to get the dimmer switch hooked back up under there. Gonna put brakes on it. Got all the parts. My wife's been in here getting all the mildew. It's set for a long time. Getting all the mildew out of it. It's got the 231. They call it a command track or something. 231 anywho. And we're gonna put tires on it. And somebody broke into the back, but that's not a big deal. I can fix that. I got a set of locks for the doors and for the back coming. Those. That's about all to show you right now, folks. It is a 1990. It's a Cherokee Laredo. Tires are shot. We're going to put new ones on it. I got a new set of mirrors coming too. We're going to get rid of, what is that, a rotten piece of plywood? The other side's even tastier. It's actually got an actual piece of board, but there. That's nice, huh? Don't go too fast, it'll blow off. Oncoming traffic might get in trouble. And then I would. But anyways, another thing that's got wrong with it was the seat was screwed up. Broken frame. Typical Jeep thing. Well, actually, excuse me, it's not a Jeep thing, it's a Chrysler thing. Even the pickups have this problem. Anywho, we got it all welded back together using the ever popular portable welder. And there's a split right here, back here. What I'm going to do is get me a piece of big fat metal and put it on the back side so that it takes up, you know, so the bolts aren't just hitting one spot, they're hitting a big span. But I got it all welded up. I'm going to let her cool off. I'm going to brush the crap out of it and spray paint it. Alrighty, there we go, guys. But we gave 600 bucks. She runs good. Let me start her up for you. The battery's charged enough to get her going. Yep, she runs just fine. Transmission's in good shape. I drove it around before I bought it. She runs good. Yeah, she runs just fine. The transmission's good. Transfer case all right. The front diff is all right. The rear diff's all right. I checked those out, crawled around. We're doing gonna do a little exhaust work on her. But for 600 bucks, I think we got a good deal. I think we've got a really good deal for 600 bucks. And it's got a clear title. Seats are in real good shape. They just need to be cleaned up. There's no tears and then they're not thrashed. The headliner's a little worse for wear. I don't even care. I'm gonna take it out probably. Yeah, it's pretty droopy. But anywho, that's what I'm doing. Hope y'all are all right and well. Had some taillight turn signal bulbs out. Backup light was out. That light bulb was burnt out. This one's got a little issue I'm going to get to, and it needs a new lens on this. I got to get a lens for that. So we're going to probably run over to U-pull it or pick apart. Got to pick apart here in town, and a U-pull it about 10 miles away. So we'll go get the little pieces we need. But anyways, that's what we're doing today, guys. I love y'all. Take care. Bye.